Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting admin access and opening the Firewall control panel. This is essential because only an admin can add rules. Once done, find the Shopify app location so you can point the rule at the executable. Make sure Shopify is updated because newer builds may use different connection endpoints. Also note the common ports Shopify uses, 4070, 443, and 80, so you can allow them if an app rule alone doesn't restore connectivity. Now proceed to create a new rule. You will now create precise rules so Shopify traffic isn't blocked. First, add an application rule that allows the Shopify executable for both inbound and outbound traffic. This often fixes most issues because it follows the app rather than ports. If problems persist, add port rules for TCP/UDP ports 4070, 443, and 80, and limit the scope to known Shopify endpoints when your firewall supports it. Finally, choose the correct network profiles, domain, private, or public, so you complete the process by restarting Shopify and immediately testing playback, login, and syncing. This verifies whether your rules work. If you still see failures, inspect the firewall logs or the system event viewer for blocked connection entries and adjust the rule's executable path, ports, or scope accordingly. As a diagnostic step only, temporarily disable the firewall to confirm whether it's the cause, then re-enable and tighten rules. If nothing helps, check antivirus or router NAT rules that might also block Shopify.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.